please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Ravi, hi. Thank you very much for taking the time out. Well, I just wanted to start by talking about how the trends for Q3 are looking, because Q2 was quite steady for you. You had a very good, revenue growth of around 20-odd%. Is this culminating in Q3 as well, or is there some seasonality which seeps in?
Hi, good morning. Q2 was actually a bit tepid for us with the introduction of GST, and we've always said that the tepidness in the markets continued for us in Q3 as well, because most of our clients were just grappling with the provisions of GST, the filings of returns, and so on and so forth, lots of other matters. So we did say that we were expecting Q3 to be a bit more softer all along, given that, it's only now, over the past month, that a lot of clarifications have been issued by the government on the GST, which is making it a little more easier for businesses. So that is what we have always said, that we do expect the softness in the market to continue into Q3 as well, but we do expect markets to start picking up from Q4 onwards.
Okay. When you say pick up, good morning, Ravi. When you say pick up, what kind of revenue numbers or any other kind of growth indicators can you estimate at this point? We've never given any kind of guidance to the markets. All we've said is over a longer term, we will continue to grow the company at between 20 and 25%. Actually, like when I say long term, say over a 5-year period, we always maintain that our growth rate will be in the 20 to 25% range, or say over the next 5 years. Okay. Is what we have said. What may you end the year in terms of workforce? I'm sorry, I will not be able to talk about that. Yes. Okay. What would be the split in that case? I mean, I think last time you said that about 20 crore of your 46 crore were in agri and the remaining were in services, manufacturing, construction. What may be the split? Will it continue that way? Those splits are so huge that it's not going to make a big difference. It's not going to move the needle in the short term at all. These are longer term. Changes that will occur with the introduction of GST, with reforms kicking in, with all the filings, all the labor filings, Ravi, going paperless. Ravi, I'm not asking you with an idea of trying to get to your EPS or your EBITDA. I'm asking you more because, what is the constant theme we hear? Jobless or jobless growth. So, I'm asking you about your staffing requirements or the pressure to increase it, more to get an idea as to whether the economy is creating jobs. See, the economy is definitely creating more formal jobs. Okay. Which is what you supply. Which is what we supply. Yes. Okay. And the formal jobs, like I said earlier, there are about 180 million people who work in the informal sector today, outside of agriculture. And of the 180 million people that we are speaking about, we have almost close to about 30 million in just private and public limited companies, government and PSUs. Okay. So even if you want to take these as the low-hanging fruit, I'm just saying, the 30 million people, that's the first target that we are probably going after.
Okay. Can you give us a sense in terms of what exactly the cash generation has been for the business for this fiscal up till now?
I lost you there. Could you please repeat? Free cash flow is what
free cash flow.
Yeah, we've always maintained. Us as a business, though our margins are small, we follow what's called a collect and pay model, where we collect. So we don't sit on receivables really. The lower margins is actually kind of more than compensated by the collect and pay model, which is what happens in 80% of the case. So therefore, the large part of the business, which is the staffing business, runs on a negative working capital cycle for us, actually. Okay.
Ravi, one would have imagined that in the first burst of GST, there would have been a slowdown even in your business. And then I guess a V-shaped recovery. Can we call it that, a V-shaped recovery?
You can't expect a V-shape. You probably it's more a U-shaped actually.
Okay, but the disruption isn't over. I mean, you're seeing the limping back to formal sector still underway.
Yes, that's right. That's right, yes.
Okay, so all right. We'll leave it at that. Thank you very much.